Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update your SmartThings automations after hub firmware changes, beginner guide step by step clearly. To update your SmartThings automations after a hub firmware change, begin by opening the SmartThings app on your smartphone. Log in using your Samsung account credentials, if prompted. Select the Devices tab at the bottom of the screen. Locate and tap on your SmartThings hub from the list of devices. Review the notifications or alerts indicating that a firmware update has occurred. Navigate to the Automations tab within the app. Examine your existing automations to identify any that may be affected. Select an automation you wish to update. Review its settings and configurations to ensure they are still aligned with your intended functionality. Make any necessary adjustments to the triggers or actions within that automation. If you encounter any issues or missing features, consult the list of devices linked to that automation. Ensure all connected devices are functioning properly after the firmware update. Test the automation to verify that it works as expected. If issues persist, consider removing and re-adding the affected devices to the automation. Repeat these steps for any other automations you've set up that may have been impacted. Once all automations are reviewed and updated, monitor their performance over the next few days. Make further adjustments as needed based on how well they operate in your smart home environment. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.